Hey everyone, it's Kerry and I am back today with some new choreography for you to learn. This one is to a song called Love Train by the OJs. So are you ready? Let's get going. So as usual, the structure of my choreography, every time you hear the chorus, it will be the same dance steps. Every time you hear the verse, it will be the same dance steps. And then there's a little section with the bridge that will be slightly different from what we've done in all the rest of the dance. So here goes. So to begin with, the chorus. We're going to go side, close, side and tap, side, close, side and tap with our feet. And at the same time, we're going to offer our palm to the sky and do a little circle round there. So we get and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're then going to do a little choo-choo step on the spot. So our arms are going to go round like a choo-choo train and our feet are going to go with our right foot first, forward and close, forward and close. All right, so to the words of the song, you get people all over the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. So that choo-choo step happens 4 times, okay? And then that section repeats. So people all over the world, join hands, start a love train, love train. Okay, and that's all that happens in the chorus. Then we go to the verse and we're going to do 4 walks forward and our arms are going to go from side to side, and then we do 4 walks back and our arms are going to wave in the air. So we get and 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do choo-choo steps with our arms again. So this is a pump it down, and at the same time we're going to do step, tap, tap. Okay, for 8 counts. So it goes choo-choo, 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 choo-choo. All right, so forward, back, choo-choo, forward, back, choo-choo. Happens 2 times through. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Choo-choo, 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 choo-choo. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Choo-choo, 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 choo-choo. Okay, brilliant. Next little section, we do a grapevine to the right, side, behind, side, and you tap your foot. And again, you're going to do a choo-choo step forwards and back. There's lots of choo-choos. It's all about the train. So here you go. You step forward and back at the same times as your arm are going to go round in the circle again. Okay, so we're going to go to the right with our right foot, side, behind, side, tap, choo-choo forward, choo-choo back. We go to the left and we repeat that. So we start with our left foot, side, behind, side, tap. Now we do the choo-choo with our right foot, choo-choo forwards, choo-choo back. All right, the next little section, we're just going to step and sway for 2 lots of 8 on the spot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that's the whole verse. So from the beginning, we do our forwards and back and our arms. We get and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choo-choo forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choo-choo forward and back. And on the spot, step and tap. 5, 6, 7, and again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, brilliant. So that's the whole verse. So far you know the chorus, you know the verse. Let's teach you the break, the bridge, that's the word. It's my age. So the bridge, we're going to dance a box step in one direction, or like dance the shape of a box on the floor in one direction 2 times. And then the second time, at the end of the second time, we're going to tap our foot and we're going to repeat it going in the other direction, okay? So the step pattern, I'll just do the step pattern in one direction first for you to get used to. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close. All right, again, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, one more, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close. All right, so that's what you just need to say to yourself in your mind so you remember which foot you're tapping. We do the box twice, go into the left, and at the end of the second time, instead of closing your feet, you're going to tap. And then you're going to use the left foot to do the same to start going in the other direction. Okay, so all together, starting my right foot, you get forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side. Again, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, tap. The last time. So you've tapped your left foot, and now you can do the same traveling to the right, but you start with your left foot. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, tap again. The second time at the end. So then you go back to traveling to the right and left for the chorus with the Love Train. All right. So just that section one more time. 2 boxes and tap on the last one. 2 boxes, tap on the last one. Start with your right foot. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, tap. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close. Side tap. Da-da. Da-da. All right, so that happens when they're singing Let It Ride in the song. So there's a little break where the words are different. They sing let it ride, let it ride, let it ride, and that happens there. Okay, so that's all of the dance steps. I'll dance them all through for you once. There is a second video with myself and Lauren dancing it to music, so please do take advantage of that and join in with us. And I will also write, as I said, the structure of the song down in the comments. Okay. So we're going to start with our right foot and we're going to do the chorus. So we get people all over the world, join hands, start a love train again. People all over the world, join hands, start a love train. That's your chorus, your verse, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave your hands in the air. Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo, choo choo. And again, no 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave your hands in the air. Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo. Grapevine, side behind, side tap, choo choo front and choo choo back, side behind, side tap, choo choo front and choo choo back. On the spot, on the spot, on the spot, on the spot. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We dance our box. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, and again. Forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, tap, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, close, forward, tap, side, close, back, tap, side, tap. And then whatever is next in the, oh yeah, it goes back to the chorus right through to the end of the song. So you just keep repeating that. Okay, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed learning Love Train, the dance that we do here at Kerry On Dancing. Please do make the most of the YouTube channel. Enjoy the other videos that we've got. Like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. See you later. Bye.